So hello guys, I have this Samsung washing machine and this is very expensive machine, something around 55k, and its inlet water stopped working. So I have many washing machines in my home. So this time I thought of doing it myself. I have all the equipments. So I checked IDMM. It's giving the power supply to this inlet wall, but it's not making any noise. So I have doubt that this is gone. So this washing machine is premium. Generally inlet wall is small, like only one cylinder like this you can see, but this one has 3 cylinders. I think I will have to spend a lot on this to get it repaired. So I thought not repaired, to get it replaced. So I thought to do it myself. Now I will remove this, and you can see it's pretty complex. So it has some sensor, I believe. Then there is one more cylinder wall. There is one more. I don't know what is purpose of these two, because it takes only cold water. Unfortunately this machine does not have the hot water intake, otherwise I could have used it temporarily, but this machine has only one intake, so I will have to get it replaced. No other option. I saw this one adapter open inside machine. I don't know what this is for and how this is kept open by manufacturer. There is nothing to connect. Okay, this is a dummy wall, you can see. So hot water inlet is not there. Otherwise I thought of installing hot water inlet wall, because that could be cheaper. This looks big, and I checked on Amazon. This is something around 2k. Hopefully it should get repaired. If not, then I will have to get it replaced. I don't know if someone will invest time in repairing this stuff. Let's see. So I removed my wall somehow. So it has two connections over here. Okay, so this one looks dummy. Now here also there is connection, but that is for sensor, and this is dummy. So I removed this wall. That's why this one has the 3 plug points. Now I'll tell you how to check if walls are electronically damaged or mechanically stuck. Okay, so you are supposed to keep the voltmeter on resistance mode. Okay, and now we will calculate the resistance on 20k. It should be around 4 to 5 ohms. So for this one, you can see the reading is around 4.16. Now let's check the second one. Same. Okay, so no reading for this one. That means this one is gone bad. No reading. So the problem with Samsung is they don't provide any provision to remove it. Otherwise I could have replaced only this one, and I could have saved a lot. Now this wall is going to be expensive, around 2000 rupees, but now I don't have any option. I will have to buy this whole set. So other brands like LG, Godrej, they provide provision to open it, clean it, but this brand, you can see, Samsung, it's completely locked. I cannot do anything. So I will bring this new piece. I will share its cost as well, and then I will attach it, and then we will complete this video. So I somehow removed this one faulty wall. You can say removing was not easy. I made lots of, I think it's even broken from my, but it's anyway non-functional. These two are okay. Now I'll show you the faulty one. Okay, I kept the resistance on 20k. sorry. Okay, see, no value. $4.14 for another one. $4.18. It's okay, but this one is showing completely zero. No value at all. If I get this part now, only this part, I will save a lot. So guys, I managed to get that one wall which was damaged out of 3, and it was I got it from the washing machine repair shop. It was used one, but it's doing its job. But I got one nice trick. So 3 walls have 3 different functions. So one wall will act as normal water inlet, one wall will drop the water over here, this for this inlet, and one wall is for softener. Okay, one is for detergent, one is for softener. And so what we use generally in day-to-day life is the detergent wall. So that water directly goes inside your tub. You will never use this wall. This is a gimmicky feature, and you will never even use this softener wall. Okay, I don't even use this detergent compartment, to be honest. I prefer to have directly water inside. But I have brought this high-end washing machine only because of its capacity. You can see it's big in size, 11 kgs, and I can add all these clothes now into this, and still it will take all the load. Okay, so what I suggest you, if you face the situation like me, you can replace out of 3 walls, remove one wall by your tester and replace it to other side, which is non-functional. And non-functional you can throw away or keep it here as a dummy wall. Okay, which will never work. And in my case, even if any of this wall doesn't work, I don't care. This I will never use. I have not used it a single time from the moment I have brought this washing machine. I only use the main water supply. Okay, so this was my learning today. I wanted to share it with you. So do not spend 2000 rupees on that wall replacement unless and until it's mechanically failed. If it's mechanically failed, then you don't have any other option. But in my case, it was electrically failed. What I mean by that is the wall, solenoid wall, was not showing any resistance. It stopped working. So I removed the wall, only the covering, and inside there is a piston which goes up and down. That was perfectly working. So I removed that outer covering and replaced it with functional wall, and now it's working perfectly fine. Let me show you that as well. So I will close this, and now we will start the normal cycle. You can see water is coming. So this was today's experiment. This is really helpful video. Sorry, I made it in portrait mode complete video because I thought I will add just a short, but it went lengthy. So I am adding this whole video in the portrait mode only. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Live loud.